It's been nearly 3 years since the last iPad mini was released, and with the 6th generation still hanging around, it's definitely time for an upgrade. Rumor has it that the new iPad mini might be coming as early as October 2024. The anticipation is building and tech enthusiasts are eager to see what Apple has in store for us this time. Design. The iPad mini 6 introduced a sleek, boxy look that has become a staple across the iPad lineup. It's safe to say that the 7th generation will likely keep this trendy aesthetic, with a twist or two. Apple is known for its attention to detail and innovation, so we can expect some subtle yet significant design enhancements that will make the new mini stand out. Colors. Currently, the iPad mini comes in space gray, starlight, pink, and purple. However, rumors suggest that Apple might be feeling adventurous with the new release. Inspired by the iPhone 16 palette, you could see the iPad mini 7 in a range of new colors, including black, blue, green, yellow, and pink. These vibrant options would certainly add a fresh and exciting touch to the lineup. Display. One of the most exciting rumors about the iPad mini 7 is the potential upgrade to its display controller. This enhancement could significantly improve the smoothness of scrolling, making the user experience even more seamless. For those who use their iPad mini for reading, browsing, or gaming, this could be a game changer, providing a more fluid and responsive interaction with the device. Cameras. The current iPad mini sports a 12-megapixel rear and front camera, which already delivers impressive photo quality. However, whispers in the tech community suggest that the new mini might incorporate Apple's photonic engine. This advanced technology could dramatically improve low-light photography, allowing users to capture clearer and more vibrant images even in challenging lighting conditions. Whether you're snapping photos on the go or video calling with friends and family, these camera upgrades could make a noticeable difference. Storage. When it comes to storage, the iPad mini 7 is expected to see a significant boost. The base storage might increase to 128 gigabytes, providing users with more space for apps, photos, and files right out of the box. Additionally, there's speculation that Apple will double the RAM from 4 gigabytes to 8 gigabytes. This upgrade would greatly enhance multitasking capabilities, allowing users to switch between apps more smoothly and handle more demanding tasks with ease. Performance. Under the hood, the iPad mini 7 is rumored to pack the powerful A18 chip, the same one found in the iPhone 16 and 16 Plus. This chip promises to deliver faster performance and improved efficiency, making the new mini a powerhouse for both everyday use and more intensive applications. Whether you're editing videos, playing graphics-intensive games, or simply browsing the web, the A18 chip will ensure everything runs smoothly and efficiently. Pricing. As with many of Apple's recent devices, we can expect the iPad mini 7 to come with a price increase. The Wi-Fi model is likely to be priced around $499, while the cellular version could be around $649. This pricing strategy aligns with Apple's trend of raising prices for their latest technology, reflecting the advanced features and improvements packed into the new mini. In summary, the iPad mini 7 is shaping up to be an exciting upgrade with its sleek design, vibrant new colors, enhanced display, improved cameras, increased storage, and powerful performance. With a potential release as early as October 2024, the anticipation is high. Stay tuned for more updates and get ready to experience the next generation of the iPad mini.